this video, I'll be showing guys how you can get 5 GB of data at a very low price that you won't believe it, but it is real. So without wasting much, just go to your dial and dial this, that is *135#, then you send. But this is for MTN cheap data bundles. Okay, so this is a MTN Zone. So if you haven't subscribed to that, just first you have to activate it before you can enjoy this. So it comes like this. You just go to option 2 for zone bundles. Okay, and you just hit on that. Then you go to option number 1, which is a data zone bundle. You choose option number 1, and then there that you get option number 3. There that you are going to find the cheapest data bundle on MTN, which is 5008 megabytes of data for 1 day, which costs 4.79, which is even less than 5 Ghana cedis. So just hit on that and you subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like the video, and then you just choose to option number 1 to buy your cheapest data bundle on MTN. So this is how you can get this 5 GB of data for as low as 4.79. See you the next video. Bye bye.